Here's the car pretty much before. That's perfect. What's going on, guys? Got a cool video today for you. So right now I'm on my way to my buddy's place in Toms River. We're going to change the vehicle a little bit that we are in. So I'm gonna have some before and then after so you can see what it looks like after we've done our little bit of conversion. Wink, you can't see because I'm wearing glasses. It's hotter than Satan's ASS hole. Right now it's 90 on the Garden State Parkway, but still a very unique change for me. I've never done this change before, but you know, sometimes you got to make small incremental changes, and that's what this is going to be today. So I came to the building in the area, Case House Performance, like this gentleman's car, or woman's, and then they got RK Tuning. So what I'm seeing in live time, a lot of Chevy and LS motor tuning. They just did a dyno pull. Would have been cool to catch, but don't think they want it being recorded. But definitely a lot of LS motors over here. So anyway, time for the detailing. All right, guys, I'm here at the shop. We got the Golf GTI ready to go. So we're gonna start getting the tint ready to go and get on and installed. We've got Connor here. What's the shop name that you want to use?
Signature Details.
Signature Details. So we're here at Signature Details. They've got fancy lighting so they can see everything they need to put tint on your car. So that's where we are at today, and that's what's getting done on this car. So I'm going to show you the before and the after as soon as it's done. So we've got the car ready here to go, to get underway. It's being prepped right now, the tint, as you can see, and he's got all the software over here on his computer to cut out the tint and then do the installation portion. So we're gonna let him do his magic, and we'll get back with you just shortly, and I will go over the details of what I'm putting on the car and what is being done today on this vehicle. Connor is over there doing his magic. So we've got the car ready to go. Fantastic lighting. Here's the car pretty much before. Here's everything you need to see. We're gonna let this man work his magic.
By the way.
What's up, guys? I made a little bit of a costume change. I'm representing Thomas Sanchez, slow 3-valve, even though it's not just a 3-valve, it's a very powerful quarter-mile 3-valve. Anyways, car is done. Got the whole window tinting completed. Let's show you what we got. All right, here it is. Here's the finished product. So we did a strip here at the AS1 line, goes across. Did 35% in the front, 15 in the back, 15, and 15. Now looking at it from afar, looks great. Now it's gonna take a couple days to get done. Let's zoom out a little bit. So here's it zoomed out a little bit. It's perfect. Gives it that little bit of difference. Loving this. This is great. Loving the look. Gonna be getting more cars done. It's fantastic. It's perfect. Makes it tougher to see in during the day. but also it being at nighttime, it will be really tough for somebody to just look in. So they won't just look in unless they can see through the windshield. But this is done fantastic. I love this. This finish is great. Done by Connor here. Let's bring you over to his sign. This is his details. So if you're in the Toms River area, this is his details. That's his number, that's his website. So he does a fantastic job. This is his office space, or his shop space, if you will. Car came out fantastic, and I'm extremely happy about this. So that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Car is done. We're gonna head out momentarily. Looks great. Looks fantastic. So this is ceramic tint, so that will protect the UV rays from coming in, and also it will be great for temperatures when you're using the AC. You won't have to have it blasting, and it won't be taxing the system so hard to cool your car off because it's blistering hot outside. So we got the tint done, gonna pay the man full price, and we're gonna head out of here and scoot. So that being said, this is gonna end today's video. Thank you for watching to this point. I have some other content coming out for this car, so I'm gonna be doing some draggy videos eventually. Got Crispy50 here, he's in the background talking. And until then, see you next time. Stay safe. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.